Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Taco Bell dimension. That's right, guys, and we're hopefully going to be eating some bean burritos and hopefully some pizza, guys. They actually used to have pizza. It actually used to, they used to serve pizza with I think a Pepsi and a breadstick, and the name of it was a PH2, and I used to love it, guys. I don't know what happened to it. Like, they just disappeared, guys. But what you're going to need to head to this dimension, you're going to need 10 purple wool. You want to place 2 of them, just like that, guys. Then you're going to need 4 magenta wool. You want to place 1 of those on each side of your purple wool, just like that, guys. Now you just want to go jump on up, and then place 1, 2, 3 purple wool, and then 1 magenta wool on top. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on down, and then you want to place 1, 2, 3 purple wool, and then 2 purple wool in the middle, and then 1 magenta wool on the edge. And now you can just go ahead and jump on down. Son of a burrito, that hurt, guys. That really did hurt. But now you just want to go ahead and light this baby out with your flint and steel, guys. So let's just go ahead and do that. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button, guys. But now it's time to go ahead and head to the Taco Bell dimension, guys. And hopefully see if they're serving some burritos or some tacos or some taco pizzas, guys. Like, I really love taco pizzas. But whoa, this must be like the taco delivery truck. I've only heard about it. I've never actually seen it. But whoa! Oh my god. This has to be the most amazing Taco Bell I've ever seen in my whole entire life, guys. Let's go ahead and let's head on inside, guys. What does this sign say? Brand reopening today at 2:30 and 8? What the heck's going on with the grand opening? I never remember this place closing. Restrooms and help wanted 130 each week. Whoa, that's pretty good, guys. That's actually pretty good. What do you think about it, Taco? Oh my gosh, they actually have walking tacos. Wow, and they have a play area as well, guys. Whoa, these must be the parents. Are you my dad? Are you my mom? Go ahead and watch me. Go ahead and watch me slide down the slide. Watch. My mom and dad's down there watching me right now, guys. Whee! What did you think about it, Mom and Dad? Oh, you're not actually my mom and dad? Oh, I don't know what to say about that one. But go ahead and play, pig. I am your dad, so I will watch you slide down the slide. Oh no, son! Son, come back! Oh my god, he just escaped the play area. Oh my gosh. They need to at least have this play area, like, at least 2 fence blocks high, guys, because, like, my pig son just escaped the play area. Wow, that is absolutely insane. These must be the sauce dispenser where you dispense all of your, like, Taco Bell sauce onto your tacos and whatnot, guys. And oh my gosh, they have a lot of tacos back here, guys. Like, wow, look at all these tacos, guys. Like, whoever's running this place must be a genius, because they have walking tacos. The taco walks out to the table, then you eat the taco, and then you just leave. That's pretty cool, guys. This must be like some kind of roller coaster room. Maybe that's like where they bring in all of the fresh vegetables and stuff, hamburger and whatnot. But whoa, these must be the restrooms, and this must be the woman's restroom. Let's go and walk in here and see how clean it is. It seems pretty clean in here, guys, and it don't smell too bad either. So this is a pretty good bathroom in here, guys. So let's just go ahead and leave out of her, guys. Shut that back. Let's go ahead and head into the men's restroom and see what this is like. And whoa, this place reeks. Oh my gosh. Wow, this place stinks. Whoa, I would not want to be in here for a long amount of time, guys. It's really bad. It's really bad, guys. Like, it smells like old bean burritos or something. I mean, how do you expect it to smell? I mean, it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad. It's a restroom. Let's go ahead and close that on back, guys, and I'm leaving out of here, guys. I never want to go back there in that restroom again. You need to clean that restroom up. You heard me, Taco? You need to clean that restroom up. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hop on in the taco delivery truck. Maybe they'll hire me on as, like, the Taco Bell delivery man. Like, I could go around to people's houses, and, like, when they order a taco, I could, like, throw it through the mouth slot, and then they could get their taco out of their mouth slot, and they could be like, delicious taco. Like, it could just be waiting on them when they get home. Let's go and break that glass, and whoa, look at the inside of this truck, guys. Like, it's amazing. I don't like looking at that cow, but it's pretty amazing inside here, guys. Like, I would definitely drive that around to people's houses and throw tacos through their mouth slot, guys. But I think we know what time it is. It's time to blow this Taco Bell up, guys, with some TNT. This is going to be absolutely amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. It's gonna blow all these tacos up to space, guys. They're gonna be space tacos. And then it's gonna be raining taco pizza. Oh my god, that sounds so good, guys. Taco pizza raining from the sky. Like, I would just go outside, stand with my mouth open, and wait for one of them to just come my way. But let's go ahead and blow this thing up, guys. Boom! Oh my god, whoa! We went flying up into the air pretty high, guys, and whoa! Oh my god, that was a massive explosion, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe, guys. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.